Hi everyone, my name is Maddy. I'm the founder of Speckles, and I'm going to teach you today some tips and tricks on applying our eye patches. 1, you want to make sure that the surrounding skin around the eye is clean and dry. And the great thing about our eye patches is that they do fit babies up to adults, as I'll show you on my own face. So it's always best to line up the eye patch over the eye first, and then you want to place it in an upward direction with the nasal slits facing upwards. The reason we do this is because it means that it will allow us to take it off much easier, and it's a much more comfortable fit on the face. So if there are any gaps between the surrounding skin and the patch, it means that there's a chance of light to come in. So by rubbing the patch a few times extra on the skin, it actually activates our adhesive more. So say, for example, if you've got a warmer climate or a very active kid that loves to get sweaty, then just rub it a few times. And if you let them touch and feel it, they can actually feel how soft our eye patches feel. So it's really great for children with sensory needs as well. Now, if you have a child that might have sensitive skin, then what I would suggest is before putting the eye patch over the child's eye, to stick it on the back of your hand first, just rub it down and then to remove it off. That will remove some of its adhesive layer. And this is also good for newborn babies. So the great thing about our eye patches is that in every bag, we include a free reward chart. So when they're finished doing their patching for the whole day, they can stick their eye patch onto their reward chart. And it's even got a great reminder when you're running low, so you can remember to get some more. And if ever you need any help or support, just remember, we are always here to help. So head over to our iHub or drop us a line on either our email or socials, and we'll be happy to help you out.